Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to master Looker Studio for beginners. Step by step, simple, and updated for 2026. If you're just starting out and want to create professional dashboards and reports, this guide will take you from beginner to confident user. First, open Looker Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. From the home screen, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank canvas where you'll build your first dashboard. Next, connect your data. Click Add Data and select sources like Google Sheets, GA4, Google Ads, or other platforms. Pick your account or file and click Add to Report. Your data is now ready for visualization. Start with the basics. Add scorecards for key metrics like users, sessions, revenue, or conversions. These give a quick overview of performance. So yeah, you can instantly see important numbers. Then add charts to analyze trends. Line charts are great for changes over time, bar charts for comparisons, and tables for detailed breakdowns. Adjust dimensions and metrics in the right panel until the chart clearly tells a story. Learn to use filters and controls. Add a date range control so you can change periods easily, and filter controls for channels, campaigns, or regions. This makes your dashboard interactive and flexible. Experiment with calculated fields to create custom metrics. For example, calculate conversion rate by dividing conversions by sessions. Calculated fields help you get insights not available by default. Organize your layout neatly, align charts, resize elements, and add clear titles. A professional look makes your dashboards easier to read and share. Before sharing, click View to preview the report. Make sure all charts and filters work correctly. Then click Share and give access to your team or clients. And that's how to master Looker Studio for beginners in 2026. Simple, practical, and powerful. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials.